everyone! Welcome back to Everything TV. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of lipstick with a focus on one of the most iconic shades, pink. Pink lipstick isn't just a makeup product, it's a confidence booster. Pink lipstick has a long and glamorous history, dating back to Hollywood's golden age and continuing to be a staple in makeup bags around the world. What makes pink lipstick so special? Well, it's incredibly versatile, offering a wide range of shades from soft and subtle to bold and vibrant. Whether you're going for a natural, everyday look or a statement-making pop of color, there's a pink lipstick out there for you. In this video, we'll explore different pink lipstick shades, discuss how to choose the perfect one for your skin tone, and share some application tips and tricks to help you achieve a flawless pink lip look. So, grab your favorite pink lipstick and let's dive in. There's something about swiping on that perfect shade of pink that instantly makes you feel more put together and ready to conquer the day. Plus, pink lipstick is incredibly versatile, complementing a wide range of makeup looks and outfits. Whether you're rocking a casual jeans and tee ensemble or dressed to the nines for a night out, a swipe of pink lipstick adds that finishing touch of glam. But with so many pink lipstick options out there, how do you choose the right one for you? It all comes down to understanding your skin's undertone. If you have warm undertones, opt for peachy or coral-toned pinks, while cooler undertones pair beautifully with rosy or berry shades. And if you're unsure, you can never go wrong with a classic neutral pink that flatters just about everyone. When it comes to applying pink lipstick for a more attractive look, there are a few key tips to keep in mind. Firstly, ensure your lips are properly exfoliated and moisturized for a smooth canvas. Next, start by outlining your lips with a lip liner in a shade similar to your chosen pink lipstick to define and shape your lips. Then, carefully fill in your lips with the lipstick using a lip brush or directly from the bullet for precision. For a fuller appearance, consider slightly overdrawing your lips, focusing on the center of your lips for added volume. Blot your lips with a tissue and reapply the lipstick for long-lasting color. To prevent feathering or bleeding, especially with bold shades, you can also apply a clear lip liner around the edges of your lips. Finally, for an extra touch of allure, consider adding a dab of highlighter or lip gloss to the center of your lips to create a plump, dimensional effect. With these simple steps, you'll be sure to rock a flawless pink lip that enhances your natural beauty and leaves you feeling confident and attractive. Before we wrap up, I just want to take a moment to express my sincere gratitude to each and every one of you for watching my video. Your time and support mean the world to me, and I'm so grateful to have you here with me on this journey. Thank you for being a part of our community and for allowing me to share my passion for beauty with you. I truly hope you found this video helpful and enjoyable. Remember, your likes, comments, and subscribes are what keep this channel going. So if you liked what you saw, don't forget to show some love. Until next time, take care, stay fabulous, and keep shining bright. Thank you again, and I'll see you in the next video.